Hi there! Today in our blog, you will learn how to make this absolutely amazing infinity scarf with just your hands without knitting needles, and that would take you only about 20 minutes. For this, you're going to need 2 wraps of thick yarn and your arms. First, let's measure the tail of threads that we will need to make the loops. I have made a tail as long as 6 of my forearms. It's about 2.5 meters. To start working, tie a regular loop like this. Now put it on your right wrist. This is our main working thread, and this is the tail. The working thread should be on your thumb at all times. Now make the loops as follows. Watch my moves. I'm trying to make them as expressive and clear as possible. And once again. So this way I make 10 loops. I'm making a scarf for my daughter. To make one for a grown-up person, you will need more than 10. So let's start knitting. The working thread should always be in the same hand that has the loops on. Hold the thread and take off the loops one by one. Now put your left hand through the new loop you've just made as if from behind. Now again, take the working thread in your right hand and take off the next loop. Put your hand through this loop from the front side, the same as with the following loops we're going to make. So we've made the first row of our infinity scarf. Let's move on to the second. Now we're taking off the loops from the left hand and putting them on the right hand. As before, keep the working thread in the hand that has the loops on. Don't forget that the free hand goes through the first loop in a row from behind. It's not a super strict rule, but that way the edge of your scarf will look much nicer. For all other loops, keep putting your hand through them from the front side. It won't take long for your hands to get used to these simple moves. And you won't notice how you will have made the whole scarf in just an instant. It's absolutely amazing. So I've made 20 rows and now I want to stop. And this is how you do it. Make the first 2 loops as usual. Now that you have 2 new loops on your left wrist, take off the first one. Then make another loop. So we have 2 loops on the left wrist again. Now take off the one you've made before. Keep going like this until you have only 1 loop left on your arm. So here's a very last loop. Cut off the working thread, leaving a small tail. Run it through the last loop and fix it. Now let's turn this piece into an infinity scarf. Fold the piece like this, and using the threads you've left, intertwine the 2 sides together, running the tail thread through the loops. If there are still some ends that stick out, hide them the same way, weaving into the loops. Once you're finished, turn the scarf outside out and enjoy your work. Our warm masterpiece is ready. Pull it on straight away and head out for a nice walk.